Welcome to the latest instalment of the display showroom. Now, in today's episode, we're going to take a look at a brand new LED light. So in this example here, we're going to have the LED strip light. So the kit itself will be sold in two different versions. So here we have a two light kit. So as the name suggests, it's a two light kit, very nicely packaged. Comes with a power cable, a 2.5 meter linking bracket, and it also comes with two light fixings. So if you want to raise the height of a light, if it interferes with the top of the graphic, then you can obviously do that as well. It has a built-in light fitting for linear and for vector, and this can also be slid directly onto the Quick Plus, onto the Stealth banner, so it has multiple uses. So that's the double light kit. We also sell a single light. Now, with the single light, what we have is simply a single light on its own with a linking cable and one bracket to raise the height of it. Now, the idea being you would have your initial pair of your lights here, and if you wanted to add additional lights, you buy a single kit and they just connect with the connecting lead. Now, the single light is not sold unless you wanted to buy an individual transformer. So if you're doing a small display, you can still buy a single light if you wanted to. As I said previously, it has a built-in light fitting for our linear extrusions and vector. So it simply slots into that position there. The head can be rotated or be tilted forward to obviously project the light into there. So all we need to do is connect the power to the first light. Now if I connect my second light onto here, and then to power that up, I'm just going to take my connection lead, so into one, and then into my second light. So that will allow me to then build a larger exhibition stand, so I can power 5 lights off one power pack. The light itself produces 5600 kelvins, so it's a cool white light. Very nice, stylish, sleek design, very well packaged, in stock and available now. As with everything, technology evolves. Now, this is the latest technology in terms of LED lighting. So these are very, very long lasting. They'll give you an average life expectancy of 22,000 hours, which is fantastic. One of the great features is during everyday use, they won't get hot like your traditional halogen lights, so you're not going to burn your fingers or get a suntan when you stood underneath it. The main benefit is obviously the low running costs. So although they might be slightly more expensive to buy as an initial upfront cost, but over the long-term life expectancy of the light, you can actually be saving a lot of money. Very tough, very durable, not to mention very, very stylish. Thanks for watching and see you soon.